Shooting with a Panasonic camera and your RW3 RAW files need processing. These contain unprocessed sensor data with maximum image quality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to develop these Panasonic RAW image files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated RW3 file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. An RW3 file is a raw image format used by Panasonic digital cameras. It contains minimally processed data directly from the image sensor. Photographers use this format to retain maximum image quality and editing flexibility, allowing for extensive adjustments to exposure, white balance, and color in post-processing. The RW3 format is a proprietary binary file based on the TIFF standard. It stores uncompressed or losslessly compressed sensor data along with metadata, EXIF, about the camera settings. This design preserves the full dynamic range and color depth captured by the sensor, providing a digital negative for professional editing. For comprehensive file management, RW3 relies on Adobe Photoshop developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may show the image, but complete control over detail and noise must be handled by RAW editors. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your RW3 file and choose Open With. Test Adobe Photoshop if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If your RW3 file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in Lightroom. Launch Adobe Lightroom Classic or Lightroom and import the RW3 file through Library Module Import function. Lightroom reads the raw data and applies default rendering. Use Develop module to adjust exposure, highlights, shadows, colors, and apply lens corrections. Export to JPEG, TIFF, or other formats for sharing or printing. Next, using SilkyPix Panasonic bundles. SilkyPix Developer Studio SE with Lumix cameras for processing RW3 files. Download SilkyPix from Panasonic support website using your camera's serial number. SilkyPix provides Panasonic optimized raw processing with accurate color rendering, tone curves, noise reduction, and lens corrections matching the in-camera JPEG appearance. Finally, converting with Adobe DNG Converter. Use Adobe DNG Converter to transform RW3 files to the standard DNG format, ensuring long-term compatibility. DNG files open in any modern raw processing software and remain readable as software evolves. The conversion preserves all raw data and metadata while providing a future-proof archival format independent of proprietary formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.